Where is the best place to add this sentence? Ghost fishing gear also damages critical marine habitats such as coral reefs. A. Following sentence 6. B. Following sentence 7. C. Following sentence 8. Or D. Following sentence 9. Because we can see our question says ghost fishing gear also, we can see that this must follow some other information previously mentioned about ghost fishing gear. As sentence 7 is the first sentence to mention ghost fishing gear, we know it can't come before that. Based on this, we can already mark choice A, following sentence 6, as incorrect. Let's now take a closer look at our other choices. B, following sentence 7. Ghost fishing gear includes any abandoned, lost, or otherwise discarded fishing gear, much of which often goes unseen. While it's true that sentence 7 discusses ghost fishing gear, looking at our given sentence, it doesn't seem like this would be the ideal place. Our sentence discusses how ghost fishing gear also damages critical marine habitats. The also hints to us that we might expect to see the previous sentence discussing something else ghost fishing gear damages, which we simply don't see here. All we see in sentence 7 is a basic definition. This is likely not our answer, but we'll keep an eye on it as we check out our other choices. C, following sentence 8. Ghost fishing gear is the deadliest form of marine plastic as it unselectionally catches wildlife, entangling marine mammals, seabirds, sea turtles, and sharks, subjecting them to a slow and painful death through exhaustion and suffocation. This lines up much better with our given sentence and goes along with what we pointed out with the previous sentence. Because this sentence discusses ways ghost fishing gear can be harmful, and our sentence continues that it can also damage critical marine habitats, it seems this would be the perfect place for our sentence. This is likely our answer, but let's take a look at choice D just to be sure. D, following sentence 9. Lastly, it's responsible for the loss of commercially valuable fish stocks, undermining both the overall sustainability of fisheries as well as the people who depend on fish for food and livelihoods. This wouldn't be appropriate placement simply because this sentence starts with lastly, telling us this is the last point to be made. If our given sentence was a direct continuation of the topic of sentence 9, the loss of commercially valuable fish stocks, maybe we could stick it in, but as it's talking about a different aspect of ghost fishing gear, we can see that this wouldn't be an appropriate spot for this sentence. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect, and we can mark choice C, following sentence 8, as our final answer.